Yo, what is up, guys? Bam here with another video. Before this video starts, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. So for today's video, this is I think the video that blew up on my channel. It has like 5,000 views, and you know, as a small YouTuber, I mean it's a lot of views. And I want you all to subscribe. We've reached the 50 subscriber mark. It's maybe not a lot to you guys, but it means a lot to me, you know, because from 0 we've built up to this much. And I want you all to subscribe because we hit that 50 subscribers, and I will let you guys know what I'm going to be giving away at the end of this video. But for now, let's get into this Lumber Tycoon modded Sawmill video. Right, so basically I already had a video planned out for you guys. I had like the whole recording done and everything. The problem is that I deleted that footage because my phone kept telling me that I had...
Stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
Really low iCloud storage, and like I really hated it. I had like, it was like an hour video though, so I mean it was pretty understandable. And I ended up deleting it, and then I come back to today and I'm like, oh man, I deleted that. But basically I'm going to be showing you guys with a beginner sawmill, like something that you guys can load into the game, sell a couple pieces of wood, and get the sawmill, you know, because so you're gonna want to go get into your truck. I recommend the big truck because I know that you're gonna have to pick up a lot of stuff. I do blacklist everyone because there's been times where I'm over here shopping and they send me texts and they just go and just rampage my whole shop. It's pretty sad, but you know, it's whatever. For this one, we're not gonna be using any of these. We're gonna actually be using the super cheap sawmill, not the cheapest one because it's pretty hard to fit wood in there. But we're gonna use this sawmill right here. This one is the I forget the name of it. I'll probably say it right here. The sawmill. Well, it just says sawmill. But it's 1,600, which is not a lot, to be honest. I'm probably going to give away a lot of my money because I really don't use any of the money on this account. Not account, but like on this, like, what is it called?
Bubblegum dumb looking ass the fuck.
This slot. That's the word, slot. Yeah, I don't use it a lot in this slot. We're just going to wait for the second one. So the second one has just appeared. You're gonna want to buy 2 of them, and you're also gonna need a hatchet. Bro, oh my god. All right, so I literally try to run out of here.
Oh, he's stealing. He's stealing.
This is pre-recorded, so I'm just like, it's pretty dumb. But basically, you guys are gonna need a hatchet and 2 sawmills. That's literally all you need, and be able to have the ability to refresh your slot. I'm gonna show you guys all that step by step though. So I'm gonna try to make this video as explained as I can and as short as possible because I don't want to make you guys wait for like, oh my god, bro, it's like taking so long to, you know, to get to the point of the video. But watch this. So I'm gonna do this right here. You're just gonna want to unload your sawmills, you know. It's really not that complicated. You literally just have to take it out, place it, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little tip, and I'm gonna show you guys how that tip will work in just a sec right here. Right, so I'm just gonna place this sawmill like right here. I put it like right in front of the base, just because it's gonna be so much easier for you guys to replace it. Cause I'm gonna show you guys basically a glitch, the invisible glitch. You're gonna want to park them right next to each other, just because it's gonna be much easier. You're gonna want to set one of them up to how much did I set it up for this one? 2. Yeah, all right, so I guess apparently I just set it up to 2 and then 1.6. No. Okay, you're going to want to max them out, both of them. Just max out the whole thing. And for this one, what did I do for this one? I think I also maxed it out, except for the top one is, you're just going to want to make them as equal. So 1 on the bottom one. And yeah, so now that you have these like this, you're going to want to basically reload your slot like right where you're standing. Oh no, okay, so here's the tip part. So you're gonna want to place like one of these there. You can use like a wall, but we're just gonna use a really big piece of wood for this, just for the video purposes, you know. you're gonna want to place this like that, because you want to have it exactly the same. All right, so once you place it, you're gonna want to stand right in front of that the sawmill, and you're gonna want to reload your slot. Just stand there. And I know a lot of you guys are like, well, Bems, you know, it doesn't always respawn in the same place because sometimes it's blocked. So that's why we're gonna do this small glitch right here. That's not a glitch, it's just more like of a way to get your base to respawn at the same place. So you're gonna want to wait, and you're gonna want to click quit. I'll show you guys right here. All right, so right here I click quit. Like you guys see, boom, there you go, quit. It's gonna say I think it says false. And you're gonna want to reload. Like I'm pretty sure you could do it immediately, but I just recommend waiting a little bit in case it doesn't. So now that you've done that, it should be able to respawn at the same slot because it thinks that you just like got into the game. So right here, you literally just have to wait a little bit. I'm gonna cut this part right here. So now your base should be able to go back to the same place where it originally was. Do not click rotate. Do not click anything. Just go back and click select. Now you're gonna want to quickly check, move, and then quit right there. Now you guys did the invisible object glitch, which in my opinion is pretty cool because it's still there, but it's not there. It doesn't really make sense, but it's just a little glitch in the game. So now that you've waited, just gonna reload you back into my thing spawns on the top of my house because I mean it's a pretty big house in the inside. Now you're gonna want to go ahead and click check, move, and then move it exactly where it was. Like you cannot be off by a little bit. That's why you have the little tip holder right there. So just place that right there, exactly where the other one was. It's nowhere behind, nowhere in front. Now you guys can see why I like to do it on the edge of the thing. It's cool if it says false when you try to reload because obviously you already reloaded. So you're just gonna have to wait. This sawmill right here was actually the one I filmed it the other video on. I already had a bunch of pieces laying out because of the other video. I sadly did save any footage, and that's my zoomer. All right. So basically you're just gonna click reload, and then it says false again. All right, but it's all good. It's all good. Load. Come on. All right. I think I'll get it this way. Yeah. All right. So now you can reload slot. Once you can be able to reload slot, reload it at the same exact place. I think that's what I did. Yeah. So you're gonna want to reload at the same place. I think so many times that you've done the little small reload glitch, I think it just like it just automatically just lets you spawn at the same place. But if not, it's all good. You just do the same thing, quit, and then redo it. Right. So I just loaded and I didn't let me do it. So remember, you guys just have to quit. It says false, and then just try to reload in again, and then you should be able to do it. So like I said, it's all cool if it doesn't let you do it at first try. Just do that, and it won't mess up any of the process for you making the sawmill. So right here it has loaded in, and there you guys go. You guys should just replace it. Click confirm or continue. I forgot what it said. And there you guys go. So you guys are like, bro, it looks the same. There's nothing added to it. Just wait. All right, there we go. Watch this. So that thing now says 224 and 116. That's not correct. So basically, I'll show you guys how to fix that. It shouldn't look like that. It should actually look a bit. Hold up. I think my dude's gonna go fix it. There we go. So we're gonna go fix it and put it to 1.6, and then this one we're gonna max it out to where it looks even. So I'll probably leave the numbers and stuff for you guys. Now you guys are gonna want to go get your hatch. You could either go get this from Link's Logic, the electronical store on the other side of the map. But I saw a comment that said like you don't need it, but in my opinion, it's better to use it than to not use it. So this actually took me a bunch of tries to get it, but I'll speed it up for you guys. Right, so like I said, I'm gonna speed this up for you guys. So it took me so long to like put it. That's the reason of the speed, but I messed up right there, and there you guys go. So that's how it should look, and you just want to close it. Now this is super important. This is a step I didn't do when I first tried the sawmill. You're gonna want to load it again. So basically, once you have the hatch in already, you really don't need to load it the same spot, because you basically have just completed the sawmill. Since this is really small, this only works with a couple trees. It does not work with the walnut tree, but it works with every other tree that's not like oversized. So I just reloaded at a random location. Remember, guys, it does not matter where you guys reloaded. You guys just need to reload. Literally, that's all you guys need to do right at this point. Just reload. Doesn't matter where, just reload. If you guys want to reload at the same spot, feel free to be my guest. But it's not necessary, like, at all. So I've just loaded in, and you guys can now try your very own modded sawmill. Remember, you literally use the same steps for every other sawmill. I'll leave the numbers and stuff. So it says 224 and 1.6. I think it's the little zoomer thing again because I keep double tapping. So I literally just cut down just a regular piece of wood. Remember, guys, it's just what you can fit in that sawmill, because I know in the super big one, the biggest sawmill you can get, you can literally fit whatever type of wood you want. But check this out. So this first part right here didn't want to fit. So what I did was just give it a good old little chop, and then it disappears, like it just boop, and it goes straight through, and it comes out like in fat chunks. So basically, that is it for this video. I know it wasn't a lot of proof, but I mean it works. So there's really nothing you guys can criticize on this video, except for my voice sounds really bad because I have like a really stuffy nose. And yeah, so let's get into the stuff that I'm gonna give away. Right, so I will be giving away whatever you guys want for this piece of wood. I don't need any of it. Someone knocked over my axes, but I'll be giving away some axes if you guys want. I have every single axe in the game, either in this slot or my first slot, which is the biggest slot I have. I'll be giving away some of this stuff, whatever you guys want, except this, like the complete thing. I'll give you guys a couple eyeballs, but I won't give you guys the complete thing. But this is the main thing I really wanted to give away, was my Squidward painting. It holds a lot of value because I had a couple of them, but they are all sold out. But yeah, guys, so I will be giving away the Squidward painting, so that's why you guys probably see Squidward in my thumbnail, so you guys get a little sneak peek of what I'm going to give away. I'll also be giving away a couple of other stuff that is left over from last giveaway from the 40 subscriber mark. Remember, guys, we hit that 100 subscriber mark, and that'll be the biggest giveaway I'll do. I'll literally give away freaking gift cards if I have to. So how to enter? All you guys gotta do is you guys can get in by one ticket, and that way to get that ticket is by subscribing, turning on that bell, hit that little ding on that thing. Oh, dang, that rhymes. But you guys want to subscribe, hit the bell, go down to the comments, comment your Lumber Tycoon name, and give this video a fat like. And if we reach that 100 subscribers, dude, I got you guys. I'll get you guys loaded. So yeah, guys, remember, guys, just keep it positive, keep it cool, join the BAMS gang. Remember, all the way, BAMS gang all the way. And just try to enter the giveaway. It wouldn't be bad to give away $1 million on Lumber Tycoon, because I don't have any use for this money other than to buy random stuff. But yeah, guys, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, join that giveaway, and hit that bell, subscribe, and I'm out. Ciao.